everyone, we are from class E group 4 and now we want presenting our paper about Burger King's marketing strategy in America and Indonesia by considering its consumer behavior. Currently, the franchise business system in Indonesia has been widely practiced, especially in fast food. By using this franchise system, fast food from other countries can easily enter Indonesia. Even though a business system like this is very easy to develop, culture difference from origin country to destination country become an obstacle. This culture difference lies in the behavior of consumer in responding to their products. So, from that, the franchise business system need to adapt the culture to the goal of the country by making the right marketing system for consumer from that country. From the background explanation, we can formulate the problem formulation. There are first, the difference between American and Indonesia culture. Second, how culture in American and Indonesia can be affecting marketing activities in each country. Third, how can American companies do marketing activities in Indonesia? Four, what are the considerations of corporate American that are felt in every aspect of human life? We have four purposes. There are first, to understand culture in American Indonesia and understand the difference between American and Indonesia culture. Second, to understand the influence of culture on marketing activities in American and Indonesia. Third, to find out how American companies can do marketing activities in Indonesia. Four, to understand how American companies should adapt their marketing strategy with Indonesian culture. The problem-solving plan that are by understanding the culture of the two countries, we can determine the appropriate marketing technique and consumer behavior in each country. As has been done by the American fast food company Burger King, they are able to adapt their marketing techniques so they are accepted by the Indonesian consumer. We use a Hobson analysis to describe the culture of America and Indonesia.
Strategy marketing. A marketing strategy refers to a business overall game plan for reaching prospective consumer and turning them into customer of their product or service. A marketing strategy contains the company value position, key brand messaging, data on target customer demographic, and other high-level elements. These are American and Indonesia Hofstede analysis diagram. First, I want to explain individualism versus collectivism dimension. The percentage of cultural dimension embraced by both the United States and Indonesia influence the marketing strategy of fast food companies, where in the United States, the society tends to be individualist with more a la carte food menu or package for one person. Meanwhile, in Indonesia, people tend to be more collective with menu that over packets that can be enjoyed together. Next, I will explain about uncertainty avoidance dimension. They show that the two countries do not avoid uncertainty and are able to adapt to existing changes. We can see that in the COVID-19 pandemic, fast food companies in Indonesia and American were able to make various adaptations to survive. They optimize sales through delivery and drive-thru service to increase the revenue. Next, I will explain about long-term versus short-term orientation. We can analyze that the future-oriented Indonesia is more careful in using money than the American people. This affects the marketing technique used by fast food companies in Indonesia. With the character of Indonesia people who like to be thrifty and saving, fast food companies offer promotion in the form of discount voucher or discounted price to attract Indonesia to spend their money. It is proven by the existence of promotion. Indonesia people are easily tempted by the cheap price offered and have the perception that they have succeeded in saving money from the difference between normal price and price after the promotion. And for the last, I will explain about high versus low power distance. In determining the marketing strategy in Indonesia, the decision is made by the superior who will be delegated to his subordinates. But in America, making decision will be discussed either by superior and subordinates.
Next, I want to explain correlation of Burger King's marketing strategy with consumer behavior in America and Indonesia. First of all, what is consumer behavior? Consumer behavior is a study of decision-making process of individuals, groups, or organizations and the wider community to use or not to use a product which just contain goods, services, and ideas. In America, where people tend to be more individualistic, they tend to buy products in small quantities because their main orientation is themselves. Meanwhile, in Indonesia, where people are more collectivism, they will buy products in larger quantity. The differences in consumer behavior make Burger King's marketing strategy different in America and Indonesia. Furthermore, we can see that in the midst of COVID-19 pandemic, changes in the Burger King marketing strategy also affect consumer behavior. Currently, Burger King optimizing revenue through delivery services and drive-thru services. People who usually choose to dine in or eat at a place now prefer to take food home for consumption at home. Based on data from the Center for Indonesian Policy Studies, it is noted that online food delivery services in Indonesia are estimated to grow by 11.5% annually from 2020 to 2024. Next, Burger King has a unique and innovative marketing strategy. Burger King is promoting other food competitors such as Flip Burger, Carl's Jr., Hokben, and others. They are carrying out this campaign in order to support other restaurants to survive this difficult pandemic. Therefore, this marketing strategy has succeeded in influencing consumer behavior to buy Burger King's product and its competitor. Plus, Burger King's marketing strategy in providing discount can affect consumer behavior when they want to buy a product. When there is a promotion in the form of discount or voucher, the volume of purchases made by consumer will also increase drastically. Burger King takes advantage of this marketing strategy by distributing voucher sheets at a certain period to increase consumer interested in buying Burger King products.
Now I will explain about marketing strategy Burger King in America and in Indonesia. First, I will explain about Burger King's marketing mix in America. The products are bacon cheeseburger, hamburger, coffee, juice, cookies, Whopper Jr., French fries of medium size, chicken tender, onion ring, soft drink, and shake. And then the place, Burger King are located in Europe, Oceania, East Asian country in order to maintain its expansion plan the company. And then the price, Burger King uses competitive pricing because the competition is very high from the likes of McDonald's. Burger King has been closely monitoring and evaluating their pricing policy so that the consumer do not feel burdened by the rates. And lastly, the promotion. Their promotion strategy is based around the concept of reorganizing and revitalizing its brand at defined periods. And now the BCG matrix in marketing strategy of Burger King in America. First, the question mark. Burger King has a low market share in this attractive market. The low sales are as a result of low reach and poor distribution. And next, the dogs. The artificially flavored product strategic business is a dog in the BCG matrix. And the star, the financial services strategic business unit is a star in the BCG matrix of Burger King. And the cash cows, uh, the International Food Strategic Business Unit is a cash cow in the BCG matrix of Burger King. And next is the Burger King marketing mix in Indonesia. First, the products are burgers, chicken, fish, salad, drink, beverage, and this dessert. And then the price of Burger King product range from 20,000 rupiah to range of 90,000 rupiah. And then the place that used by Burger King to distribute its product are restaurant, apps, mobile, website for delivery. And then lastly, the promotion. Burger King use promotional or marketing communication tactics advertising, promotional sales, personal selling, and public relations. And now for the BCG matrix in marketing strategy of Burger King in Indonesia. First, the question mark. Burger King itself has a product that is located in this quadrant, like King's Chicken Geprek. And then for the dogs quadrant, Burger King certainly in itself continuously to release new products, but not everything can run smoothly in terms of sales, where it is not all of its new product inventions are favored by the target market. This kind of products are in this quadrant. And then for the star, for the fast food industry in Indonesia, Burger King has high market share position. And lastly, for the cash cow, in this quadrant is definitely related to the product of Burger King, that already has a high level of popularity and also still has a high and stable sales prospect. The product is Burger Whopper.
We would like to thank you for your interest and attention.